Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Welcome back to our this series of videos in which we are discussing our YouTube channel and the downloads we do using the analytics in the channel, right? So there are download procedures available. Download facility available by it's a very good thing. YouTube has provided this thing so that yeah, this enable us to customize the report for ourselves and do certain automation for us on the basis of these downloads. So in our previous video, we showed you that using the naming convention, we on the daily basis uh, we save the files and also we download the things. We download the information about the popular video, the statistics, so that when we start this procedure, it is naturally going to start from the first file. It will first of all clear all these rows; they will be deleted, and then it will start from the lesson file number 1, 2, and 3, and so on, and until the lesson file number 428, right? So that makes the done cases. Done means the file is updated with the given my popular video sheets, right? So that it becomes available in all the lesson files for the viewers, and they can go to this and select the file which they want. They have all the details, how many views it has attracted. It has won so many views, so that it's worth it for them to watch this video, and they can decide to skip it in on the basis of the information which are available here. And this is sorted with the on the subscriber. The more subscriber in it, it means it's more popular, right? And the lesser subscriber means it is making lesser impact, right? And this also helps us to navigate to make our strategy and while choosing the topics for the viewers. So so what we do in this video, we have shown you all the process. All you need to do is click here, right? But before clicking in here, you have to make sure that this is updated. So let's update it first. And then in this sheet, when you click start, it will uh, when the process completes, it gives you this information, which is telling you when it is started and when did it finish, how much hours it took. Well, so you have to you can use this also, that how many files are being processed. You can see these files are processed, right? In 1 minute time, how many? These are 6 counts were done, right? Obviously, 6 files are updated within this minute, right? All are being done in 6 at the rate of 6 files per minute, right? This is 8 files in a minute, right? So this is how it is being processed. Now, what is today's agenda is that we explain you some functions. Min function we have used here to get the minimum of what of the B column in there alone, right? So minimum of the B column is obviously the topmost one, right? The topmost one is so this is one way of bringing. You can simply change it, this formula alternatively, that you put an equal to sign, and of course this is going to be the or in means in all cases, irrespectively of it means this position will not change. Whenever the process is started, it will start from here. So there is instead of using the min, you can also use this. Okay, but you have to make it as a time value. You have to time value, so that you have so that you don't disturb the other thing, right? This is the time value function, right? Oh, I'm sorry, I must have time value of the time text, right? So B2 is actually not a time text. It is actually uh, the the time value, right? So you can straight away use instead of time text in time value, you can use only. So you have to decide. Sometimes you have to convert the text into the time value, or and if it is already text, then you have to use it as a time value function. Okay, so this is how it is done. The next is maximum. Yeah, so maximum of this, So no need to time value in here because the whole column is already in time value. So you can simply do the max function in here, and that's it. It is going to bring you the back. Here you cannot use equal this procedure which we use for the start, because you never know when the new files will come, and the last position of this will not always be at for row number 420. It will keep on changing, right? So that's why the best option to use in here is a max, not the plus linkage of to a to the particular cell, because that cell will not be always the ending position. Okay, so these are the two things which you do, and in the end you do the calculation how much time it took. So it took 34 minutes and so on. Okay, and how many, and the countif function, a countif s function, it counts on the basis of a criteria, right? It counts it is counting the done in the column E. So how many dones are written in the column E of the error log? So that gives you 417, whereas you have the 428 files. Out of 417 were successfully done, right? So this is one of the things which we wanted to elaborate, to explain for our viewers. And the rest of the things are in VBA. And in the VBA, we have to see the VBA code, you have to do the right click and go to assign macro and go to the edit. So here it is asking you start from the beginning. You say yes, right? So it clears everything in the error log and it starts from the beginning, right? The next is it makes the directory and it converts the. This is very important. It converts the OneDrive path into the local address, right? Okay, so without non-HTTP address, right? So this as soon as it becomes a local address, and that enables us to update it, to locate the file and update it, right? So this is what we wanted to share it with you in our today's video. And the code you can analyze by putting a breakpoint and carry on that what is each line of the code is doing. For example, you put a breakpoint in here like this, right? The next what you do, you click the start, right? But before doing the start, you need first to make sure that this file is updated. And before you update this file, you just make sure that you do not destroy this line, because this is important note for our viewers, right? Because when you are going to paste it, you are going to paste it while putting your cursor on A1, right? So let's get back to our channel, and here what we do, we will go to the lifetime, and in the lifetime we will sort it by we will make sure that we are in the content folder, right? And in the content folder we will sort it on the basis of subscriber, so that the most popular in terms of subscriber, it should come on the top, and so on, like this should be. Okay, so this way you are sorting this content. And now once these are sorted, then you can download it, right? So these are sorted, right? And uh, so it can download it, the top 500 uh, entries, right? So this is a limitation of YouTube. We have to live with that, okay? Although we have around 600 videos, and um, uh, among them we will restrict our analysis on the basis of the top 500, right? So 4817 is the total number of views, and these are that many subscribers. That's good, and that's it. So what we are going to do is we will download it. Let's download, and once the indication comes here that the file you wanted is downloaded, we go to that location and we open it temporarily, so that we and make sure that we close it file, so that it does not occupy the memory unnecessarily. Okay, so here we are going to press Control A to select everything. This one additional line, let's make sure that we adjust it, right? So this is the app precisely covered, and we press Control C in here, and we get back to A1 position in the my popular video, and here we are going to paste it. All we need to do is that we paste it, right? So we have pasted it. Now we have lost our our hyperlinks, right? But we need these hyperlinks to be back. So all we need to do is come out from this sheet and get back in. So this will bring your hyperlinks back. How does it happen? The code is available. You can see in the event of worksheet activate. If you click on the worksheet activate in here, you will see that this code ensures that the hyperlink is placed on all the video names, right, in the column B. Okay, so this is the column B, which is being used in hyperlinking, and every video is hyperlinked by simply entering back into the video. So you have done it there. So your file is now ready, and all you need to do is click start, and this will start doing its job, right? So let's have a final look of our macro, and we have put a breakpoint so that to explain you a bit of this code. We have showed you that let's save it as well so that we don't lose, because when you say yes to the start from the beginning message, so what it is going to do, it is going to delete all the entries in the, okay. So let's click on start, and this is going to give you the message. And as soon as you say yes, all your entries in the error log are gone. Yes, so that's what it is doing. Okay, now no problem if they are gone, so they will come back. Okay, they will for sure come back. So what we do, we will go get back to the code. This is at the point of breakpoint. So it is now trying to get all the files into the array, into the my directory array, right? So let's see how many files will it bring from this file location. What is our file location? It is this is our file location, right? In our path, yeah, this is our path. This is converted path. Otherwise, it's actually it was an HTTP, but that is converted into the local path, and by address local path. This is the proceed function, which is actually converting the path. This is the OneDrive path. This is going to be converted by this proceed function, and that makes you a local path, right? And now what will it do? It will update your array. The array is updated as soon as you run it. So how many? 420. Within a second, you get 428, not 29, 428 items loaded into, and this array will be started from the top, and it will keep on opening all the files and updating it and saving it again. So we will explain it to you the rest later. So let's run it so that you can see how it is working. It is working. Now it is just for confirmation that you want to start with this first file and say yes. So this is now starting the procedure. It is opening the first file, updating it with the latest macro file. So instantly it is being available for the viewers on the who are connected through our video's description. The video description has the link of this file, which is being updated automatically. And all around the world, people get updated with this information. Okay, so this will cover, in the end, you will find the total, the summary, that how much of it was. So in the end, it will put the right, what you say, the rights, the summary of it, and this will be updated. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.